Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Toyota RAV4, and on this RAV4 we're going to go over how you'd replace the light bulb that's inside here. This is a tail light, and so it illuminates when you have the lights on, just so that people can see you when they're coming up behind you. So it's a small tail light that's in here. We can replace the tail light while it's inside here, but also you may want to know how to replace this whole assembly if it got cracked or broken, right? So to start with, we're going to need to pop the trunk. So you'll just raise the trunk up. So with the trunk in the raised position, we have a little access panel that's right here to be able to pop off to be able to replace that light bulb. Use a small screwdriver or your non-marring tool to be able to just, you'll see the little indent where you can put your popping in and pop that off, and then you'll pop this cover off. With that cover removed, you have to reach back in here to be able to twist the light compartment out. So you'll see the electric line that goes in, and then there's one small light bulb in there that we can pull out. You'll need a little bit of leverage, and so if you've got some pliers, you can reach in there and turn that to a counterclockwise of a quarter turn. And once you've done that, then you can pop the light bulb down, the element, and then we can just pull the light bulb out. And this is the light bulb that goes in there. It's just a small little guy that illuminates that as your tail light. This light bulb here is a 168. Right, so you get a new 168 bulb, and then the housing here, you line it up and you snap that bulb into place, and then there you go. Once you get the right tabs lined up in there and pressed in, then you just turn it a quarter turn to the right to tighten it back into place, and then you would just put this cover back on. And so that's how you would replace that light bulb with at the current state if you need to replace this tail light bulb on the rear of your 2018 Toyota RAV4. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.